How to fix Spotify playlist not showing the added songs. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store. In the search bar, search for Spotify. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be one of the reasons that you're having this issue. In that case, simply click on update and update your app. Once you're done updating the app, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of a device, move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Spotify and then move into it. Now, click on Offload App and then once again, click on Offload App. It will clear all the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Spotify, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.